See, very easily we have formed the hole on the other side. Now let us take the counter bore holes around the object. Click on hole, click somewhere here. This time we will take counter bore hole. As we have already selected this thread, that's why it's showing an error. So we'll deselect threaded, and in type we will take counter bore. The counter bore diameter is 30 and the depth is 10. Now I'll take extension. Of course it will be up to last, and the diameter would be 20 and depth will be up to last. Now we'll take positioning and we'll position it on this plane. We'll take coincidence, then dimension between these two. It will be the pitch circle radius, which is 240 divided by 2. Now click on exit workbench and click on OK. Now just select this hole. Instead of selecting here, you can select here. It is better. Now we'll take circular pattern. Number of instances is 6 and the angle between them is 60 degrees. Now the reference element, this cylinder's axis, click on preview. You can see very easily we are forming this instances or copies of the original object around the center of this main object. Click on OK. Now let us create these slots, which are the T slots around this object. Select on sketch on this face. We'll take a rectangle somewhere here. This line and this line about this horizontal. We'll make it symmetric. Now double click from here to here. This dimension is 35. The slot width is 15. And you can take this line and this circle as tangent, so that our object will be fully constrained. Now exit workbench. Use pocket to cut up to 15 mm. Click on OK. You can see. Now again we will take sketch on this face. We'll take a rectangle. This time I will take this and this as coincidence. No need to give dimension. This and this circle tangency. This object about this horizontal will take symmetry. Now this total length is 30. Exit workbench. We'll use pocket. Reverse the direction and up to depth 15 mm. Click on OK. You can see we have formed the feature, which is a T slot. Now we'll take this pocket and this pocket. You can select it in this part navigator. It is better. You can see both of these pockets have been selected, and we will use circular pattern. Directly we can select on the axis. Select this cylinder and number of instances is 3. And of course the spacing will be 360 divided by 3, which is 120 degrees. Now click on OK, and you can see very easily we have generated the copies. Now I'll take isometric view. You can see we have generated the object except this slot, the keyway slot. Let us make it. For making that, we can create a offset plane. You can see this is at 25 mm from the center. So at 25 mm we will create a plane. click on this reference element plane and select this plane and give a offset value of 25. Click on enter and you can see we have created a plane here. Select this plane, select sketch. Let us create a rectangle. This line and this line about this axis will create symmetry, and this line will coincide with this edge. We'll give a dimension to this. This is 30 and this width is 16. Now we'll take a circle, make a circle somewhere here. There are a lot of constraints which have been created, auto constraints. So delete this and delete this. Now we'll take this as tangency with this, tangent with this, and this point on this line. Coincidence. Click on quick trim and delete. Now we can take this line and convert to construction element. When you click here, it gets converted to a construction element. Exit workbench. You can see the construction elements won't be visible. Pocket. Reverse direction. Up to last. It will cut everything when it moves towards outside. Click on preview. Now click on OK. The slot has been created. Now we'll click on pocket here and we will take mirror about this plane. Click on OK. You can see here. Click on isometric view and you can see this is the object that we wanted to create in this video.